Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we will see how to transfer money from your PayPal account to a Skrill account. So without further ado, let's just jump right to it. First of all, make sure you're logged into your PayPal account, and once you do that, just hover mouse to the wallet and click that. Now, we can't directly transfer money from your PayPal account to your Skrill account directly, but there are ways around it, like link a bank or link a card. So we will be linking the bank account that's already linked to a Skrill account already. So once you do that, it will be something like this in case this bank account is linked to the Skrill account already. So just hover mouse to transfer money and click that, and then transfer to your bank, and make sure you're sending the money to the bank account that's linked to your Skrill account already, and then click next and enter the amount you want to send, for example 2222, and just click next, and you can confirm whether the bank account is correct and the amount is correct or not. And once you check everything, just click transfer now, and there it is. Hope that helps. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Cheers.